Hey everyone, I bought and tested these cabinet jacks so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're tired of wrestling with heavy cabinets and need an extra hand, stick around. I've got the scoop on the top 5 cabinet jacks available on Amazon that promise to make your life easier, whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast. Product number 1, Aliexpress 2PK Steel Cabinet Jacks. The first product I tested is the Aliexpress 2PK Steel Cabinet Jacks. Right out of the box, I was impressed with the adjustable height feature, which extends from 14.6 inches to 23.6 inches. This was particularly useful when I was working in tight spaces. I remember trying to install a cabinet above my kitchen sink, and the telescopic support pole came in clutch. The sturdy carbon steel tube paired with a nylon handle made it easy to maneuver without worrying about it collapsing under the weight of the cabinet. It holds up to 132 pounds, which is quite impressive for a tool that weighs only 3.8 pounds. As I secured the cabinet in place, I appreciated the non-slip handle and the quick release lever, which allowed me to make adjustments easily. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality is solid, it feels durable and reliable. The adjustable height is a game changer, and the ergonomic design means I didn't feel strained even after prolonged use. However, it might not be suitable for heavier cabinets, as its load capacity is limited to 132 pounds. Also, the blue color might not fit everyone's aesthetic if you're into a more muted palette. So why buy this product? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable cabinet jack that will free up your hands for precise installations, the Aliexpress 2PK is a fantastic choice. Plus, with over 300 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many others are finding the same value in it as I did. Product number 2, Manco Cabinet Jacks. Is the Manco Cabinet Jacks, which I've found to be a versatile tool in my arsenal. One of the standout features here is its maximum lifting height of 23.62 inches, making it ideal for taller cabinets. I remember working on a project where I had to install some high cabinets and a dining area, and this jack truly felt like a third hand. The pole design is incredibly user-friendly. It securely holds materials in place, allowing me to focus on alignment without worrying about them toppling over. The load capacity of 156 pounds is impressive, especially since it's made from high-quality alloy steel. It's not just a cabinet jack. I've used it for drywall and moldings too. The rotating head with non-slip pads adds an extra layer of safety, making it easy to adjust angles while keeping everything secure. On the downside, while it's sturdy, the two-piece design can feel a bit wobbly if not locked properly. Additionally, it requires a bit more effort to set up compared to other jacks, but if you're patient and take your time, the results are worth it. So why should you buy the Manco cabinet jacks? If you're someone who tackles various DIY projects, this product is a great investment. It's versatile, durable, and will make your installation work a breeze. Product number 3, Aliexpress high-quality metal cabinet jacks. Coming in hot at number 3 are the Aliexpress high-quality metal cabinet jacks. The first thing that struck me was their robust build. They can handle a whopping 200 pounds. I remember needing to hang heavy cabinets in my garage. The stability provided by these jacks was unparalleled. The heavy-duty base design made sure that I had a solid grip throughout the installation process. One of the coolest features is the versatility. I could attach these jacks to walls, tables, or even ceilings, which was great for my project. The rotating textured pads were a lifesaver, giving me a 130-degree rotation range for optimal positioning without damaging surfaces. However, while the non-slip handle is comfortable to use, it does feel a little bulky at times, and the weight can be a bit much for solo operations. The quick release lever is a nice touch, but it can be finicky if you're in a hurry. Why should you consider these? If you're serious about cabinet installation and want something that lasts, these jacks are the real deal. The ability to support heavy loads and adapt to various environments makes them an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIYers. Product number 4, HOZY Labor Saving Arm Jack. At number 4, I tried out the HOZY Labor Saving Arm Jack, and let me tell you, this is a heavy-duty tool. With a capacity of 440 pounds, it's built for serious lifting. I recently had to lift a heavy wooden door, and this jack was a lifesaver. The stainless steel construction feels incredibly sturdy, and I appreciated how it resists bending under pressure. The dual-speed safety control is a real game changer. I could lower fragile items carefully or reset quickly depending on what I was working with. The ergonomic grip made a big difference during long tasks, reducing the strain on my hands and wrists. On the flip side, the price point is a bit higher compared to other jacks, and its bulk can make it less portable. Also, while it's compact, it's not as easy to store as smaller jacks. So why buy the HOZY Labor Saving Arm Jack? If you work with heavy materials regularly or need a jack that doubles as a woodworking clamp, this tool is worth the investment. It simplifies tough tasks and enhances your productivity. Product number 5, No-Ike Cabinet Jack Support Pole. Last but not least, we have the No-Ike Cabinet Jack Support Pole. This product caught my eye due to its sturdy construction and safety features. The high-quality carbon steel gives it a robust feel, and it can support up to 200 pounds, which is quite impressive for its size. The adjustable height feature allows it to extend from 11 to 23 inches, making it suitable for various cabinet sizes. I found the non-slip feet and secure locking mechanism to be particularly useful. During my installation, I felt confident that the jack wouldn't slip or move unexpectedly. The locked straight textured pads provide an added layer of safety, ensuring that my cabinets were well supported. However, one drawback is that the quick release lever can be a bit stiff at first, requiring more effort to operate. The handle is comfortable but could benefit from a bit more padding. So, why should you choose the No-Ike Cabinet Jack? If you're looking for a reliable support system that won't break the bank, this is an excellent choice. It's straightforward to use and offers all the essential features you need for a hassle-free installation. In conclusion, these cabinet jacks are all worthy contenders, each with its unique set of features. Depending on your specific needs, whether it's lifting heavy items, versatility, or budget, there's something here for everyone. Don't hesitate to grab one of these tools to make your cabinet installations a breeze.